Are you looking for how to fix messenger did not answer problem or did not answer messenger call problem? In this video, I show you how to fix messenger did not answer problem or messenger call problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for messenger, update messenger if available any update version, then search for VPN, install any VPN, wait for completing the process, then go to settings, then go to apps or application management, click on apps, then go to see all apps, then search for messenger app, click on messenger, click on storage and cache, click on clear storage, delete. Now back to home screen, then search for VPN app, accept, click on codes bar. Now select location to USA, connect, then go to again messenger, log in your messenger, not now, okay, click on cross. Now call someone who are in online. Now I hope that this method fix messenger did not answer problem or messenger call problem. Thanks for watching.